I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, Edge updated, and you're signed in so your gallery syncs across devices. Once done, open Edge and locate the gallery icon or press Ctrl+Shift+G to launch it immediately. You should see panels for images, templates, and saved items. This initial view organizes content. Now create a new gallery project by clicking the plus button. Make sure to name it clearly so you can find it later, and choose a template if you want structured layout options. Now populate the gallery. Drag files from your desktop or use import and paste URLs for remote assets. Once items appear, organize with tags and folders. This helps filter large sets quickly. You can reorder content by dragging thumbnails, place priority items at the top. Use built-in edits to crop or annotate images and add descriptive captions so you and collaborators understand context. If you need consistent sizing, set grid or collage mode. Make sure to save changes. Finish by exporting or sharing. Choose ZIP for files, PDF for layouts, or create a share link with view or edit permissions. Once shared, verify settings so recipients have the correct access. Before closing, run a quick preview to confirm layout and links work. If something goes wrong, like changes not appearing, first check sync status and network, then sign out and sign back in. That resolves most issues. If sync still fails, retry export and send files directly as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.